here.
That's right. And if you haven't seen this and you haven't been here, be sure to hit that subscribe bell so that you can go ahead and see these every day at 10 a.m. Except for today.
We're not doing the best job of uploading, but we'll get better at 10 a.m. every day, right? Yeah. We had to print out a bunch of numbers and cut them up. As you can see, they aren't here because they blended in too bad with the background.
So we gotta cut out them all again. So anyway, what this is we're gonna be opening up 24 whole compartments over the course of this month, and in each of them there's gonna be 5 gifts. We got 5 whole gifts for 5 whole children. Number 2 is gonna be up there, so let's go ahead and open it. We're gonna need a ladder.
I can reach it. We don't need a ladder.
No,
how can you reach it?
Oh, up there.
Move out of the way. We'll beep beep, beep beep. Who wants to rate it?
I do. KittiesMama Kids, today's gifts are from our friends at TOMY. Luca's gift is from Mommy. Thank you, TOMY, for the free product. That one wasn't as good as Jonah's, but I tried.
Micah, guess what? Guess what? Trains. Yeah. All right. So the first gift is trains for Micah.
It's a Thomas set from TOMY. Thanks, TOMY, for free product. All right.
Micah will love it.
Yeah, I'm getting on it.
All right. So this gift is for Luca, who isn't currently awake. It's a baby swaddle.
This one our mother bought. It is called Halo Sleep Sack Swaddle. Luca's an early bodybuilder, so he messes up his swaddle at night because he's so strong.
So we bought him a straight jacket.
So we had to buy him this one.
It is like a baby straight jacket.
All right, guys. Guess what's up next?
I can't guess.
I cannot.
Oh, this is for Emma, clearly.
This is Instax mini film.
We got 3 KiiPix.
Are they for all of us?
Polaroids? What are those? That means nothing to me.
Let's figure it
They're
out.
like Polaroid.
There you go.
Smartphone picture printer.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool. Yeah, that's nice. That's real cool.
And now,
It's doing it.
Yeah, Micah, you can't.
you're not supposed to actually take it out of the thing.
Right there, I see your outline.
Oh, I do see it. Now I see it.
I'm gonna print this picture.
Okay.
Shake it like a Polaroid. Shake it like a Polaroid.
Look how
Oh, here it
great.
is.
Oh dang. There it is.
That's
No.
two pictures of these ones you've seen.
Wait.
Oh,
there
that's
is.
cute. It's gonna be baby Luca?
Oh, I'm gonna print this. It's funny.
It's too scary, Emma. Don't do it. That's terrifying.
So thank you, TOMY, for sending us the free product. Micah liked his gift, and we enjoyed ours.
And if you want to stay tuned for more of these advent calendar videos, we're going to be opening up 22 more of these.
10 a.m. every day.
Except
Don't miss it.
Except for these first 2. We messed up.
Make this series your life force.
Please.
Click that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified whenever we upload. Thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Bye.
Where's
Click
Micah? See you next time.
Micah's
YouTube.
in his box. He went in there because he wanted to. There are rectangles right here. You click those to watch videos and click this circle over here to subscribe, like we've already told you a million times.